So welcome back to my channel and you are watching English Flight and I am Parthojit Bora. So today I am bringing for you very important question answers from the chapter Lost Spring Flamingo SS Final Year. So I want to make you know that this chapter is very important because maximum questions all the years, if you go all the years from SS Council, they set maximum questions from this chapter. Okay, so let's start. And for the new learners, subscribe my channel, share it and press the bell icon. So the first question, what is the name of the writer of the prose Lost Spring? This question came in the year 2012 and 2014 and the writer is Ain Chung. And the second question is that what is Lost Spring about? So this question came in 2013. The answer is that Lost Spring is about two boys, Sahib and Mukesh, who lost their childhood for their survival. And number third, what is the original book from which this prose piece excerpted? The answer is that Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Next question is that who is Sahib? Sahib is a rag picker who lives in Simapuri. And number 5, it's very important. What is the original home of Sahib? This question came in the year 13, 15 and also 2019. The answer is that the original home of Sahib is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. And number 6, whom did the author encounter every day in the street? The author encounters Sahib every day in the street. And number 7, what does Sahib do every day? This question came in the year 2014. Very important. Answer is that every day Sahib scrounges or looks for gold in the garbage dump. And 8 number question is that why have Sahib and his family migrated to Simapuri? The answer is that because storms had swept away their fields and homes. Because আৰু সেইকাৰণে they left Bangladesh and settled in Simapuri. And number 9, what is Sahib's full name? Sahib's full name is Sahibi Alam. Very important, very important. And what is the meaning of Sahib's full name? The meaning of his full name is Lord of the Universe. So I forget to write the year, the coming year of this question. So very important, 19, 18, 2 years I think these two questions came. Okay, so very important. So number 11, whom did Sahib observe standing at the fence gate of neighborhood club? Sahib observes two young men dressed in white playing tennis in the neighborhood club. And number 12, what was Sahib wearing when he was at the gate of the club? Sahib was wearing a pair of tennis shoes with a hole in one of his shoes which didn't match and looked strange over his discolored shirt and shorts. Next question, where is Simapuri? Very important. Simapuri is located in the periphery of Delhi. Number 14, who is Mukesh? Mukesh is a bangle maker of Firozabad. Number 14, who Mukesh done. Number 15, where does Mukesh live? Mukesh lived in Firozabad. Number 16, what is Mukesh's dream? This question came in 2012 and 2015. Very important. 2 years the same question came. Okay. Mukesh's dream is to become a motor mechanic and to drive a car. So 17, who is Sabita? Sabita is a young girl who was wearing a drab pink dress. Drab means khetapora, light colored pink, sitting along an elderly woman who helps in bangle making. Number 18, why is Mukesh proud to take the author to his house? Mukesh was proud to take the author to his house because it was being rebuilt. Number 19, what makes the city of Firozabad famous? Firozabad is the center of India's glass blowing industry where glasses are welded and made bangles. Next question, number 20. This question came in the year 2019. Just we have talked where does Sahib come from What is the original home of Sahib? Same answer. Okay, so Sahib original hail from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Okay, so next question is that why do you do this? It's a quotation, it's a inverted comma. Who is the speaker? To whom is this question addressed? The author Ain Sung is the speaker. The question is addressed to Sahib. Where is Dhaka? Why is it important? Dhaka is in Bangladesh. It is important because it is the capital of Bangladesh. And give another expression for glibly. Make a sentence with glibly. So glibly means insincerely, without care, speaking to ease, with ease. So no one was convinced when he explained glibly about his findings. Okay, so but promises like mine abound in every corner of his bleak world. So why do the promises abound in Sahib's world? Answer is that promises are abound in Sahib's world because promises never become true in Sahib's world. Okay, in case of Sahib, so promises never work, promises become promises. Okay, promise সদায় promise হৈ থাকে কেতিয়াও সত্য নহয়. Okay, why is his world bleak? Because he was a poor boy. He has to live in slum with structure of mud, with ropes, okay, of tin and tarpaulin, devoid of sewage, drainage of running water. And number 25 is that who are described as morning birds and why? Answer is that Sahib and his friends are described as morning birds. And why? Because like birds, they appear in the morning for rake picking and return in the evening, return in the dusk, like that. Okay, so number 26, who live in Simapur? All the rake pickers, squatters who came from Bangladesh in 1971 live in Simapuri. Okay, 27 number question is that what does the garbage mean for the children? For the children, garbage means something wrapped in onda. What does the garbage mean for the elders of Simapuri? For the elders, garbage is a means of survival. 29, give another word for scrounging. For scrounging means what? Yes, searching, looking for. Okay, so number 13, number 30, what doesn't bother Sahib regarding the shoes he gets to wear at one time? A hole in one of the shoes doesn't bother him because it is his dream to get a shoe with a hole, who walks with barefoot. What is out of Sahib's reach? The game of tennis is out of Sahib's reach. Number 32, what is karm of Mukesh's father according to his grandmother? According to his grandmother, the art and profession of making bangle is karm of Mukesh's father. Give an English equivalent of the word karma. So karma means here fate or destiny. So that's all for today's video. Hope you will like it and subscribe my channel for the new learners and wait for the next important 2-mark question answers from the previous papers from 2012 to 2020. Okay, so have a nice day.